Hello and welcome to this tutorial video on how to best use the School Games Organiser competition calendar. As you are hopefully aware, we recently introduced something called the Event Management tool, which has been designed specifically to make this process easier for School Games organisers. Every School Games organiser should add all of their events and participation data via this tool, and this in turn will populate the calendars that you see here. So let's open the tool and take a look. So you'll see that we have four main tabs: upcoming events, past events, pending events, and updates. The first two are pretty self-explanatory. These are all the events that you've got coming up. And as you can see, I've created a test event here already, and this is for events that have already happened. Pending events will hold any events where you haven't yet specified a date or a time. And as you can see, there is a number here to show you how many events are in this section, in this case, none. The final tab is for notes and any other information you wish to write and save for later. If we go back to the upcoming events tab, you'll see that we've also got some filters in here where you can specify a date range, a sport and a level, either 1, 2 or 3. So if you have lots of upcoming events and you need to find something specific, then this should make it easier. Now we're going to create a dummy event. So if we press the Add Level to Event button at the top, you'll see it'll take us to a new page. This first page is for basic information about the event. So I'm just going to put in some mock details here. When we get to the user list, this is where we have the option to share an event with any of the School Games organisers involved. Let's say in this example, Penny Allen. This will give her the ability to edit the event and enter participation data at a later date. Enter your event description, and now let's press save to continue. On the second page, this is where we enter the times and dates of our competition. This process hasn't changed, so I'm just going to enter some quick mock data and then we can carry on. Then we can press either save and add a new level 2 event to start a new form, or save and continue to enter participation data. But for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to press save and return to event management. So now you can see that this event has been added to your list of upcoming events. If we return to the School Games Organiser dashboard, and open up the summer primary calendar, as that's what we made the event for, you'll see that on the date we specified there is now our event. So if we now go to Penny Allen's dashboard and open her event tool, you'll see that the event has also been added to her upcoming events list, and she's free to edit the event as she wishes or to enter participation data. To enter participation data, simply click on the highlighted button. This shows red for not started, amber for incomplete, and green for complete. As you can see, we've got two distinct sections, one for Penny and one for Ian. Both School Games organisers should only enter the data for their area in their section of the form. So if Penny had 5 boys and 5 girls from her area, and there were 20 people at the event overall, it would look something like this. Then we press save and complete, and the button has gone green. If we go edit and then to the participation screen, you'll see that the same information has been populated here. If we return to Ian's dashboard, we'll see the same information has been populated here as well. Then, to make sure the information pulls through to the schools in your area, you need to press the Resubmit Calendar button. And then if we go to one of the schools from this SEO area, we'll see that there's an updated display next to the calendar. And then if we click on the calendar, there's an event. I hope that this tutorial has been useful. If you have any other queries or any concerns about how to use the event management tool, please contact info@yourschoolgames.com.